Hi, I'm LaShawn and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here and you want to be inspired on a daily basis, then this is the perfect place for you. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guess who's in the hospital? Hello everybody, this is LaShawn and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am in the hospital, but I am going home. So I wanted to take a little video of my little space that I was in, getting my transfusion and my treatment. As you can see, this is the chair I set up with every day. I used to sit here every day. And then over here, you'll see my handy dandy Sudoku. Gotta have the Sudoku. And that was from lunch. That's my salad, my French dressing, always water. And here's the handy dandy cord for the iPhone. This is my tray where I ate at. If we go this way, this is the restroom. Nothing fancy. This is my bathroom from my hospital stay while I'm on my birthday in Chicago, Illinois. Not fancy, is it? Okay. Close this door. Then over here, this was my infusion machine. I am officially done with my last bag of blood. So this is what they used. And here's my walker. And here's my cane. There it is, LaShawn Campbell. This is my cane. And then this is just junk. Not tidy at all. There's my phone. And there is my bed. Not very comfortable. But that is my bed. Then you walk over here from this view, and this is the whole room. It's not very big. There's no shower in the bathroom though. It seems I'm a fall hazard. This is my view in Chicago. It's a main street. I don't know what the name of it is, but this is the view from my room right here. And I sat up here yesterday and just watched the traffic go by. And that's a CTA bus there. Look at that. The big white bus. I am in Chicago in the hospital. So, I just wanted to show you where I've been for the last couple days in the hospital. And I'm here to visit my sister. But I still got days left. I just want to thank you for joining me. I want to thank for all the love, all the cards, all the messages, checking on me to make sure I'm okay. I am okay. Trust me, I am okay. I'm getting up out of here. Okay? So, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. I appreciate you. I hope you have a blessed day. And if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Take a minute to leave a comment. I look forward to talking to you soon.